Introducing the sleek and stylish 2020 Hyundai Kona Kauai Executive 5-door in grey. This MPV comes packed with features like air conditioning, cruise control, and lane departure warning. With a powerful 1.6-litre diesel engine and manual transmission, this vehicle is both efficient and fun to drive. Safety is a top priority with ABS, anti-collision system, and multiple airbags included. Plus, enjoy added convenience with features like Android Auto CarPlay and Bluetooth phone connectivity. This vehicle has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out. Call us or visit spiritmotorgroup.ie for more information today.